Hey, welcome back, you guys. All right, we're still in our Mini Cooper project, but now we're done with the underside. Now we're gonna address some creature comforts on the inside. All right, now our girl, Danny, rolls this thing all over Florida. Top down, having some fun, but guess what happens? In Florida, sand, rain, all kinds of dirt, debris all over the car. How do you protect that? WeatherTech.
That's right. Now, we've got some great gear here. Floor liners and our trunk liner.
Yeah.
Now, these are awesome because if you got something new and you don't want it to get all, beat up, weathered and whatnot, you slide them in. Man, anytime you pull them back out, it's brand new under there.
Yeah,
when you got something that's hammered like this, it's a great way also to hide it, cover it, and have something that looks new and fresh and has some great function.
It's like beer goggles for your trunk. Look at this.
Look at that. Oh, man.
All right. Laser cut, fits just perfect. Got those high ridges. Gonna keep any sort of debris, sand, liquid right in that tray.
Yeah, nice feature too with these. Man, you can unroll the bumper cover and look, you got protection from any kind of dings, scratches, or whatever, especially when you got exposed urethane bumper on most applications that open, top ways. So this is a super great way. Clean up that trunk, make it durable, and we can do the same thing on the floors.
Oh, yeah. Look at this fact. So this is the Mini Cooper factory floor mat. That thing is straight trash. All right, this is a great replacement, all right? You got high ridges. You have this little duct in here, keeps all the fluids, all the debris, all that stuff out of our carpet, right here where it needs to be. Catches everything.
Yeah, what I like is they're tucked in nice and tight. They stay put. They've got retention features if your factory came with them, so they're not sliding around, getting balled up onto that brake pedal.
Exactly.
Scary stuff.
And another thing, that's a name you can trust.
And on those hot summer days, we got the sunshade. This thing is great. It's foam filled, so it's nice and rigid, but easy to put in. Shiny surface for the hot days, reflect the sun. The perfect fit. You just slide it right up in there like that. You can drop these guys down if you like. And then it's reversible. You see the black side here? That's great for the cold days, wintry days. Help get a little bit more heat in the car, warm things up a little bit, knock down some of that frost on the windshield. And this thing's stored pretty nice. I'm gonna get it out of the way because we are about to go for a test drive out there. So once you guys come along for a little ride, we're gonna have some fun, see how this thing does with the new axles, the new brakes, and everything else. So come on, let's go take it for a little ride.
We did deck it out though with WeatherTech cargo liner floor mats.
Another one, we got this cup phone duo. So we got two phones ready, hands-free, ready to go from WeatherTech.